Hey, what's going on, guys, and welcome back to another Minecraft video, where today we are going to be fighting the Wither in 0.16.0 build 4. And you can see there's a beacon behind me. I have enchanted gear and stuff. I'm all set. Now the thing is that I'm not really good at shooting arrows, and it's going to be in the air and stuff, so that might be a problem. So let's spawn it in. Done. 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 Dun, dun, dun. Oops. Oops. Okay. 3, 2, 1. Oh shoot. Oh shoot. This is it. This is it. Arrows ready. Okay. I'm already dead. This is it. Oh my goodness. Oh shit, I forgot. Okay, enchanted golden apple. Where is it? Oh, this is really bad. Yes, I got one hit off. 2. Yeah. Oh shit, another golden apple. Where is it? Yeah. Oh shit, this is bad. Yeah. Where are you? Okay, that's it. Oh shoot. Okay. Enchanted. Okay, that should be good. Where is it? Arg. I think I needed more than these arrows. Anytime it comes close. Come on, bro. Fight me. Yeah, I think I've gotten the advantage. Yeah, he's burning. Oh no, I'm stuck in a hole. Enter the golden apple, please. And I have to. Okay. And where are you, beast? I need to say that I took down the Wither on my own. It's way harder with these controls. Wait, hold on. Yeah. Golden apple. Okay. Yeah, I fired it back. Yeah. Got you. We're looking at put some breaking on these. Oh shoot, the pig just died. I've not even reached quarter of his health. Okay, I got long range. That should be good. No, it's not. Got you. Got you. Got you. Oh shoot, I fired it back. Cool. Dude. Oh, come on. Wait, what? Oh no, this is bad. I got to run. Where is he? Where are my stuff? I wish you could have keep inventory on. Oh, I zeroed away. I think I'm going in the wrong direction. Well, anyway, guys, I think you can see probably that I'm not yet prepared. So I'll see you guys later. Peace.